Before you buy games, gift cards, or digital keys from Eneba, let me show you how to save money using a working coupon code. Right now, we're on the official Eneba website. Eneba is a popular digital marketplace where you can buy game keys, gift cards, and in-game currency for platforms like PC, PlayStation, and Xbox. As you browse, you'll notice that prices change based on the product and seller. That's why applying a coupon at checkout can help reduce the final price. For the latest verified Eneba coupon codes, you can quickly visit the Techie Coupons website. On the Eneba store page, you'll find active promo codes, updated discounts, and clear details on how to use them. Now back on the Eneba website, choose the product you want and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, look for the promo code box. Enter the coupon code you found on Techie Coupons and apply it. If the code is valid, the discount will appear instantly. Once the discount is applied, complete your payment and finish your purchase. That's it. Before buying from Eneba, always check Techie Coupons to make sure you're using the best available coupon code. The link to the Eneba coupon page is available in the description.